Hey everyone, just wanted to show reporting from SAP SuccessFactors, Employee Central Payroll, in Power BI and what this looks like using EPI-USE Query Manager and our Cloud Connector, which can connect to any analytics platform, including Power BI. So in this case here, I have a gross pay dashboard. It shows you that I have 18.81 million, and this is for the entire calendar year of 2023. You have some other high-level statistics, average gross pay for all my employees, average monthly, and then it shows the most recent pay date. I can come here, filter, including by dates. So if I just want to look at January, I can very quickly and easily do that, and the amounts will auto-filter, as you can see. But in this case, I'll keep the full calendar year. One thing to worth noticing is I actually have multiple countries here. So I have US and Canadian employees in this report. And so the cool thing about this is using fields from Employee Central, specifically business unit, division, department. These are foundation objects in Employee Central that are key to the HR, our hierarchy or structure. And so we pulled those in along with payroll amounts. So you can see for my corporate business unit, this is the most payroll, gross pay amount comes from here, followed by products, etc. And same with division and department. I got a chart that kind of shows how my payroll is going across periods, across months, but then I also have employee level details, including their payroll amounts over here. The really cool thing about this is I can filter. So if I just want to view the finance department for one example, I can come and do so. And so in this case, Natalie Wilson is the highest paid person in this, which you can kind of see this heat map of my top paid employees based upon my filter criteria. And so just to kind of show you that this is connected to my SuccessFactors instance, Natalie has 127,200. I'm going to go over to Natalie's pay statement, and you can see 127,200. I'll also go back to Natalie's people profile or employee profile, whatever you want to call it. Go to her employment record, and you'll see that she is in the finance, best run, corporate services, and corporate. So that's what you see here. You see the finance right here, finance, best run, corporate services, and corporate. And so it's just a live connection. We can also do different types of reports. So this gross pay one is one example, but another one which is created was an overtime one here, right? And so we can actually see different pay components all in the same report, which I think is super, super cool. So in this case, I have tabs at the top that shows overtime at time and a half for business unit, division, department, and I can see, being an executive at a company, how my overtime is, what divisions or departments or business units are, as well as how this kind of is trending across months, and even like some of the costs. So I can kind of sort by this and see, okay, who in my company is working the most overtime, who are my real hard workers. And then I can click across tabs and see double time, which looks like the company had far less of, late night premiums, and then of course regular working time, which is where the bulk of this is, right? 285,000 of my payroll here. So you're able to get a very high, I guess I would call it executive reporting, to be able to look at your worked hours and using Power BI, powered by EPI-USE Query Manager and our analytic connector. Thanks for watching, and please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.